Gosh, my law is just the worst. It have this document and this document, and it's because it have this file and this. What is this? What letter is this? Oh, this is for this case. I know it had some shippiness here, and then it's because yes, it have that case coming up there. I had to be in court on that day. Yeah, I think so, you know. Yeah. Let me check and see what's going on here. So the same way a lawyer will always have something to do with. A lawyer is not just in the courtroom. A lawyer will have documents that they have to see over. They have to write documents, read documents. They oftentimes have to meet with clients. They have to go to the court, obviously. They have all these different processes and processes that they have to function throughout the course of a day. They have typing to do, they have calls to make, they have new clients to get, these type of things. A lawyer's main job obviously is to practice law and make sure that they understand all of the laws in which they have to reside within, right? And make sure that their clients understand that and then use that to the client's advantage. That's their main job. But their other job, or all of their other jobs, all of the other things that they'll be doing throughout the course of the day, also makes them a lawyer. As a trader, your main job obviously is to place trades, right? Now, when you're not actively placing trades, does it make you not a trader? There are other things that you have to do throughout the course of the day that still make you a trader. You have to backtest, you have to write your trading plan, you have to journal your trades, you have to look over your journal, and that's a big part. A lot of people do not do this. You have to look over your journal. Make sure that you're actually not over trading. You're not revenge trading. You're not placing trades because other people are saying to place these trades. So you may not necessarily be trading, but that doesn't mean that when you're not trading that you're not a trader. And that's something that I think a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people have this belief that when they're not actively placing trades, that they're not working. You may not be trading, but there are other things that you can do to make yourself a trader. So one of the things for me that makes my life, or makes up my life as a trader, would be to teach. In order to keep my tools as sharp as possible and as powerful and strong as possible, what I do is I continue to teach. A teacher is not gonna forget the information that he's teaching, especially if he's teaching it every single day, which is what I do. So by teaching every single day, by constantly doing it day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out, I am actively trading, you know. I'm just not placing trades. So not because I'm not placing trades and I'm not trading every single day means that I'm less of a trader. And that's something I want to drive home today. It's a very short video, but it's something I feel like we need to stop and really try to absorb and internalize. Stop thinking that every single waking minute of every day you need to be in a trade. You don't. I can guarantee you that you don't. So that's basically what it is I had to talk about today. Like the video, subscribe, see you in the next one.